as a community of employees of King's Properties, you want to thank God for the graces you have experienced as a company. Amen? For the successes, even the failures that gave you a chance to bounce up and reach the goal. That's why we do this Mass and worship with our hearts.
Kumukuti-kutita, kumubusi-busila, ganyan ang indak ng mga bumbilya. Kikindak-kindak.
Maayong Pasko from ECM! Maligayang Pasko from King Properties! Maayong Pasko, King Properties!
Tumulitibok-tibok, sumisilok-silok, purunahan ng palarang bituin. Iba't iba, palamuti, ating isabit sa puno. Buhusan ng mga kulay, tambakan ng mga regalo. Tumitibok-tibok, sumisinok-sinok, lang malundo sa sabihin. Pupulupot-lupot, paikot ng paikot, koronahan ng palarang bituin.
Tonight is a special night as we not only come together to celebrate the joyous holiday season, but also to recognize and appreciate the hard work and dedication of each and every one of you. Each of you has played an integral role in our accomplishments, and I cannot express enough gratitude for your outstanding efforts and unwavering commitment. Tonight, let us celebrate the spirit of this joyful Christmas season and the incredible team we have built. Cheers, everyone!
Lalong dumadami.
We thank the Lord above for all things possible, all the opportunities given to us. I also want to especially thank each and every one of you. You are responsible for where King Properties is today. Let us continue with the celebration. I wish you all a memorable and enjoyable evening. Thank you, everyone.